Imagine this. You are out on a mountain trail, the sun is dipping low, your backpack is heavy, but the excitement of capturing every second of the adventure keeps you moving forward. You've got your action camera strapped to your chest, wind rushing through your ears, and adrenaline pumping. You take that leap, that jump, that ride, whatever it is, and it feels incredible. But then, hours later, when you sit down at home to relive those moments on your screen, the footage is shaky, the colors look flat, the low-light scenes are full of noise, and the magic just doesn't feel the same anymore. That disappointment is something every action camera owner knows too well, and it's the reason why people are so hyped right now about what DJI is about to bring to the table. Because if the leaks and rumors are even halfway accurate, the Osmo Action 6 might not just be a nice little upgrade. It might be the camera that changes the action cam game entirely, a device that could finally put DJI toe-to-toe with GoPro and Insta360, and maybe even push ahead. In the next half hour, we're going to take a deep dive into everything we know so far, from leaked specs and insider hints to what this means for creators, athletes, and casual users. By the end, you'll see why so many people are calling this the most ambitious action camera launch in years. The first thing we need to talk about is the sensor, because this is where things start to get exciting. Multiple leaks suggest that the Osmo Action 6 will use a 1-inch CMOS sensor. To someone who doesn't follow camera tech closely, that might just sound like another number. But in the world of action cameras, it's massive. Most compact action cams use much smaller sensors, which means they struggle in low light, blow out highlights in bright conditions, and generally produce video that looks, well, okay but not spectacular. A 1-inch sensor changes that equation. It means better low-light performance, more detail, less grain, and wider dynamic range. Imagine filming in a forest at dusk or recording a dive under the waves and getting footage that looks closer to what your eyes actually see. That's the kind of leap a bigger sensor can bring, and then there's resolution. This is where the Osmo Action 6 rumors start turning heads. Some insiders claim it could offer 8K video at 30 frames per second. Think about that for a moment. 8K? We're talking about resolution so high that you could zoom in, crop, or reframe in editing without losing quality. Now, is 8K practical for most people today? Probably not. Most people don't even own an 8K display yet. But the value of 8K isn't just about watching in 8K. It's about the flexibility it gives creators. Shooting in 8K and delivering in 4K or even 1080p means your footage looks sharper, cleaner, and more professional. It also means you're future-proofing your content for years to come. Of course, DJI knows that not everyone wants or needs 8K all the time, so the leaks also suggest more realistic options, like 5.3K at 60 frames per second for ultra-smooth detail, 4K at 120 frames per second for cinematic slow motion, and even 1080p at 240 frames per second for those jaw-dropping super slow motion shots. If all of that comes true, DJI won't just be competing with GoPro, they'll be raising the bar. But high resolution and a big sensor mean nothing if your footage looks like it was shot during an earthquake. And this is where stabilization comes in. DJI has been improving its RockSteady technology for years, and the Osmo Action 6 is rumored to feature RockSteady 4.0. That alone would be impressive, but some leaks suggest an even bigger leap with a feature called Horizon Steady 360. Imagine strapping this camera to your helmet, spinning around, flipping upside down, or even rolling in a kayak, and the horizon in your footage still stays perfectly level. That's the kind of stabilization we're talking about here. No gimbals, no extra equipment, just pure software and hardware magic keeping your footage buttery smooth. If DJI nails this, it could easily become one of the strongest selling points of the Action 6. And now for something totally unexpected. Smartwatch integration. This one caught a lot of people by surprise. Rumors say the Osmo Action 6 might be able to pair with Garmin watches and Apple watches to offer real-time control. Picture this. You're on a bike ride, gloves on, hands busy, and instead of reaching up awkwardly to hit the record button on your camera, you just tap your watch. Recording starts instantly. Want to switch modes, check battery, or stop recording? Do it from your wrist. But that's just the control side. The real magic might be in data overlay. Imagine your heart rate, speed, altitude, or dive depth syncing from your smartwatch directly into your footage. That's storytelling on a whole new level. For athletes, adventurers, and vloggers, this could be the feature that makes them choose DJI over GoPro. Now let's move on to design and battery. Based on leaked photos and prototype descriptions, the Action 6 will likely be a bit bulkier than its predecessor, and honestly that's not a bad thing if it means more power. One of the most common complaints about action cameras is poor battery life. Nobody wants their camera to die in the middle of a mountain run or a dive. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to pack a 1950 mAh battery, big enough to potentially record over 4 hours of continuous 4K footage. If that's true, it blows past most of the competition and directly addresses one of the pain points users have been shouting about for years. Durability is also rumored to be improved, with waterproofing down to 18 or even 20 meters without a protective case. That means fewer accessories, less hassle, and more freedom to just pick it up and go. Of course, with all these powerful features comes the big question: overheating. We've seen it before. Cramming high-resolution recording into a tiny body often leads to cameras shutting down mid-shoot. GoPro has dealt with this problem repeatedly. How will DJI handle it? Right now, leaks don't give us a solid answer. Some speculate improved airflow design, others think the camera might impose time limits at the highest resolutions. Either way, this is one area where the Action 6 will need to prove itself in real-world tests. Storage is another interesting point. Rumors say DJI might finally include built-in storage, possibly 64 gigabytes, in addition to the usual micro SD slot. On the one hand, this is a great backup for those times when you forget your card. On the other hand, if you're shooting 8K, 64 gigs won't last long at all. Still, it's a step in the right direction and a feature GoPro has yet to embrace. Now let's talk about price. This is where DJI could make a huge impact. Current leaks suggest the Osmo Action 6 will launch somewhere between $329 and $429 for the standard combo. There might also be an adventure combo with extra accessories, batteries, and mounts. That price range is aggressive, especially when you compare it to GoPro's top models. It suggests DJI is aiming to undercut their main rival while delivering better specs. If they pull it off, the Action 6 could become the go-to choice for anyone shopping for a new action camera in 2025. So what does this mean for you as a user? Well, if you're just a casual creator who films vacations or family outings, this camera might feel like overkill, but that's not a bad thing. It means you're getting pro-level features at a consumer price. If you're a content creator or someone who posts regularly on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, the flexibility of 8K, the stability of RockSteady, and the convenience of smartwatch control could change your workflow completely. For athletes, the data overlay from your watch could turn your training sessions into cinematic stories. And for longtime GoPro fans, this might finally be the moment you consider switching. Of course, we need to keep some skepticism. Not all leaks are accurate, and even when they are, not all features work perfectly on launch. Some things might be delayed, some might be reserved for a pro version, and some might just not work as smoothly as promised. But the sheer consistency of the leaks, from FCC filings to accessory makers and industry insiders, suggests DJI really is preparing something big. So here is the bottom line. If you're planning to buy a new action camera soon, hold off just a little longer. The DJI Osmo Action 6 could very well change the game. Imagine strapping a camera to your chest that records in 8K, stabilizes like a gimbal, syncs with your smartwatch, lasts hours on a single charge, and dives with you 20 meters under the water. That's the vision, and it's one worth getting excited about. And now, I want to hear from you. Which feature excites you the most? Is it the 8K recording, the smartwatch integration, the improved battery life, or just the hope of finally having an action camera that doesn't let you down when it matters most? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's start the conversation. And of course, if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more updates, and stay tuned, because as soon as DJI makes it official, we'll be here to cover every detail. Until then, keep creating, keep pushing your limits, and I'll see you in the next one.